Well, hello, my algebra students. Hey, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Why would I be sleeping? I don't know. But let's do some videos here. So, we've been working on factoring. I call factor part 1 just for the video. So, I start off by saying, what's the biggest number that will divide into 6 and the 24? Now, if you have trouble with numbers, you could break it apart. 6 is 3 times 2. 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So, the GCF is the smallest number of the item that occurs in each part. So I have 1, 3, I have 1, 3, so I need the 3. I have 1, 2, I have 3, 2, so I need the 1, 2, the least that it occurs. So I'd have 1, 3, 1, 2, so that would be 6. Now, if you can just look at this and say, hey, 6 is the smallest number that goes into both, that's fine too. So I'm going to write the 6. And then the variable should be easy. Do I have x in both terms? Nope. So there's no x in the GCF. Has to be in both. So I'd put the 6 parentheses. What do you multiply 6 by to get 6x? And that would be x. And I think it's hailing outside right now. Well, life is good. Then 6 times what is 24, and that'd be 4. So here, what's the biggest number that goes into 7, 6, and 5? Well, that's 1. And is there an x in every term? There is, but the smallest that occurs is to the first power, so my GCF is x to the first. So what do you multiply x by to get 7x cubed? And that'd be 7x squared. X times what is 6x squared, and that's 6x. And this would be 5. X times 5 is 5x. Woohoo! What's the biggest number that goes into 10, 8, and 6? And that is 2. Is there an x in every term? Yes, there is. The smallest power is 2. So my GCF is 2x squared. So then 2 times what is 10? And that is 5. X squared times what is x to the 6? When you multiply two things in base, you add the powers. Ha 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 ha. So that'd be x to the 4th. 2x squared times what is 8x to the 4th? And that would be 4x to the 3rd squared. And 2 times what is 6? And that's 3. And I already have the x squared, so it's just 3. Okay. So what's the biggest number that goes into 20, 15, and 10? And that would be 5. The smallest power x occurs. There is an x in every term. Smallest is 10. So this times what is this? And that would be 4x to the 10. Because when you multiply two things the same base, you add the powers. Yes. Plus 5 times what is 15? That's 3. X to the 5th. Plus, that would be 2. So, what goes into 30, 20, and 10? And that'd be 10. Is x in every term? It is. And the smallest power is x to the 10th. So 10 times what is 30? And that's 3. When you multiply two things in base, you add. So that would be 2x to the 10th. Now, a lot of people get this following part wrong. 10x to the 10th times what is 10x to the 10th? And it's not 0. 0 times anything is 0. So it's 1. So right now, I'd appreciate you to try this one and this one for me. Then when you're done, turn the video back on. So you're pausing it right now. Okay. So what goes into 12, 10, and 4? And that'd be 2. Is there an x in every term? Yep. The fourth power is the smallest power. So what times this is this? And that'd be 6x to the 6. What times this is this? And that'd be 5x squared. And what times this is this? And that'd be 2. So this would be 4x to the 4th. 4 goes into 16, 8, and 4, and the x is in every term. The smallest power is x to the 4th. So this would be 4x to the 16th plus 2x to the 4th plus 1. Ew. So that's the first part of factoring. Have a good day.